We're also looking increasingly likely, like a lot of places across the area, you'll see a good amount of snow coming up over the next few days. But everybody, even if you don't see a lot of snow, we'll see much colder temperatures. You can see temperatures falling maybe as much as 35 degrees below that, and oh, thought I was going to fall again. I kind of learned my lesson there. Well, anyway, you can see it's turning much. Excuse me, I got to get that guy. I'll be right back. Well, I'm back. I had to teach my partner a lesson there. Anyway, those dropping temperatures, it will feel like a kick to the butt as we head toward Wednesday. Anyway, has some watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. Start out east. Those don't go into effect until Tuesday night into Wednesday. We'll talk about those in just a minute. More immediate concern west of the Divide, Western Mountains. That's a winter weather advisory that goes into effect tonight. Also have flood watch for the lower elevations. That goes into effect tonight as well and runs through the first part of Wednesday. Now take a look at the individual impacts here. Monday night into Tuesday, we'll have some snow developing, becoming steadier and heavier in the western mountains. Heavy at times, I think, especially late tonight into the first part of Tuesday. Now the valleys, they should stay mainly rain pretty much through about Tuesday. Passes will be slick. Teton Pass, Togany Pass could get interesting. Then Tuesday night into Wednesday, the snow will fall down to the valley floors, but most of the moisture gone at that point, so only minor accumulations. This could still be some slick roads late at night there, though. And how much rain we need to get with those flooding concerns. Generally, this hasn't changed very much, about a half an inch to an inch across the valley locations, a little bit more across the higher elevations, most of that falling in snow though. Now we turn our attention to east of the Divide. Mainly dry through tonight, will be a couple of showers around at times. Will be mild tomorrow, a few more showers around, maybe a couple of afternoon thunderstorms as well. Now there'll be no real travel problems unless you're going up in the mountains, pretty much through about midnight Wednesday, maybe to about 3 a.m. until we see that steady rain change over to snow. Now on Wednesday, things we do know. There will be periods of snow, they will be heavy at times. It'll be much, much colder, as we showed earlier, kick in the butt, as much as 35 degrees colder. And also strong winds will blow and drift that snow around. Very difficult travel, I think, especially across Johnson County and Natrona County, maybe portions of the Bighorn Basin and the Wind River Basin. Now, we still have some differences, though, as far as where the heaviest snow is going to set out. The snow is convective. The heaviest snow will fall in real narrow bands. We just can't nail that down this far out. Should have a better idea of that as we head toward tomorrow, though. Take a look at those wind gusts. This is showing 40 miles per hour. Could see gusts maybe as high as 50 miles per hour, especially around Buffalo, northern Bighorn Basin as well. So blowing that snow around as well. It will be wet, so it won't be quite as bad as if this occurred in January, but I wouldn't want to be traveling, especially Wednesday morning. Now the big questions everybody's asking, how much snow are we going to get? Here's our latest estimated totals. You can see the highest amounts, Johnson County, Natrona County, 6 to 8, locally over a foot as you head west of I-25. Also, upslope areas doing pretty well with that northerly flow. Places like Lander, maybe even the Cody area could see a good amount of snow here. Generally 3 to 6 across the I-80 corridor, across the western mountains, generally up to about a foot across the Tetons, locally higher amounts way up top, and about 1 to 3 inches across the valley locations. And here's our usual resources for weather, road conditions, and our webcams by route. Be safe and have a great day.